Good morning, everyone. This is B. Ramarao from SRRS Government Polytechnic, Sirsilla. Diploma student, first year, common subject, Engineering Chemistry and Environmental Studies, subject code C204. In this hour, we discuss about preparation and uses of plastics. Preparation and uses of plastics. On the completion of this period, you would be able to know preparation and uses of polythene, preparation and uses of PVC, Teflon, Bakelite, urea formaldehyde resin, nylon. These polymers are plastics, preparation and uses we discuss in this hour. Polythene. This polythene prepared by addition polymerization of ethylene under high pressure and high temperature in presence of catalyst. This polythene prepared from ethylene monomer. This ethylene formula CH2 double bond CH2. CH2 double bond CH2. This polythene is prepared by addition polymerization process. This addition polymerization of ethylene monomers under high pressure 1500 atmosphere pressure and high temperature 180 to 250 degrees centigrade in presence of catalyst oxygen act as catalyst. In this condition, these monomer of ethylene undergoing addition polymerization to form polythene. Then CH2 double bond CH2 gives rise high pressure, high temperature, oxygen in presence to form polythene. Then CH2 double bond CH2 gives rise CH2 single bond CH2 taken N. This ethylene monomer formula CH2 double bond CH2. This ethylene undergoing addition polymerization in presence of high temperature, high pressure in presence of catalyst of oxygen to form polythene. Polythene. This polythene, very simple structure, the simplest of all commercial polymers. Carbon atoms, two hydrogen atoms, double bond between carbon to carbon. Second carbon also have one carbon atom, two hydrogen atoms are present in ethylene monomer. Thermoplastic polymers, thermoplastics polymers of ethylene to polythene formation is thermoplastics. Consist of long hydrocarbon chain. In this bond have a long hydrocarbon chains like a chain growth polymerization form in polythene, white waxy. The melting point is typically in the range of 120 to 180 degrees centigrade. The melting point of typically range 120 to 180 degree centigrade. May or may not be observable. Depending on crystallinity, molecular weight, melting point. It has melting point typically range of 120 to 180 degrees centigrade of polythene. It is very simple monomer of ethylene undergoing addition polymerization in presence of high temperature, high pressure in presence of oxygen act as a catalyst to form a polymer. These polymer of thermopolymeric to form thermoplastics. See here bonding between ethylene monomeric CH2 double bond CH2 in presence of 180 to 250 degrees centigrade temperature, 1500 atmosphere pressure in presence of oxygen to form a chain growth polymerization of addition polymerization to form CH2 single bond 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 CH2. How many number of monomers? 1, 2, 3, 4. These four monomers added together to form addition polymerization. Here a shortage way to draw polythene. This can draw simple way CH2 double bond CH2 4 numbers, then form CH2 single bond CH2 taken. N means number of monomer, here 4, and here an ever shorter way N. CH2 double bond CH2 gives rise CH2 single bond CH2 taken N. N means number of monomeric units, that is 4, 10, 100, 1000, billion, trillion. Number of units depends on small n value. How much quantity of polymer are you require depends on small n value. Uses of polythene. It is used for children's toys, bulletproof wastes, packing, plastic bags and grocery bags, plastic film, container, bottles, shampoo bottles, geomembranes, HDPE and LDPE. These all are prepared by polythene. Polythene used for the production of film, buckets, dustbins, all are prepared by polythene. Polythene used in production of packing appliances. The production of wire and cable insulators. The production of bottles, pipes for water supply pipes, industrial containers. It is also used to prepare toys, pipes, bottles, bottle caps, etc. These all are prepared from polythene. It is preparation of children's toys, bulletproof jackets, packing appliances, plastic bags, plastic films, containers, bottles, bottle caps, geomembranes, pipes, water supply, industrial containers, wire and cable insulators. These all are prepared from polythene. Advantages of polythene. Polythene used in preparation of film, making film. Most lightweight and durable packaging mediums available. Plastic packaging contributes to reducing food spoilage rates. Polythene ducting is compatible with most fans, heaters, air conditioner, air handling units, etc. Polythene bags uses less energy and resources of create the glass or paper. Clear polythene allow recipient to view the contents such as magazine covers. Cover sheet also prepared by polythene. Next one, PVC. PVC is prepared by the addition polymerization of vinyl chloride in presence of hydrogen peroxide as a catalyst under 60 degrees centigrade temperature to form PVC. Vinyl chloride formula CH2 double bond CHCl. This vinyl chloride undergoing addition polymerization in presence of 60 degrees centigrade temperature, hydrogen peroxide H2O2 act as catalyst. In these conditions, supplied on vinyl chloride to form polyvinyl chloride PVC. Polyvinyl chloride. This PVC prepared by addition polymerization of vinyl chloride. PVC, polyvinyl chloride, is a versatile thermoplastic material obtained from ethylene and salt by vinyl chloride polymerization. It is the best explored material in the world due to serious scientific research carried in order to disprove accusation. So, this PVC prepared by vinyl chloride in presence of hydrogen peroxide as a catalyst at 60 degrees centigrade temperature applied on vinyl chloride to form polyvinyl chloride. Polyvinyl chloride. Synthesis of PVC. Suspension of polymerization. First, the raw material. Vinyl chloride is pressurized and liquefied and then fed into polymerization reactor which contains water and suspending agent. Through high speed agitation within the reactor, small droplets of VMC, VCM are obtained. Next, the initiator is fed into the reactor. These are process of synthesis PVC. Applications of PVC. Applications of PVC. PVC has been used as a construction of production of fur of a century, unplasticized. PVC is one of the stiffest polymer and normal temperature and show little deterioration after many years in service. So this PVC used in preparation of pipes, sheets and molded parts. PVC used for electrical insulation for covering of electrical cables. It is used for tank lining, motor parts and safety helmets. It is used for production of toys, tool handles. It is used for also making coats, jackets, bags. This PVC used for electrical insulation for covering of electrical cables. It is used for the production of pipes, sheets and molded parts. It is used for tank lining, motor parts and safety helmets. It is used for production of toys, tool handles. It is used for making coats, jackets, bags, etc. These are applications of PVC. PVC was first used as a cable insulation as a replacement for rubber during Second World War. It is used for electrical insulator for covering of electrical cables. PVC cables do not harden and crack over time and find use in many applications for telecommunications to electric blankets. These cables are recyclable by recovinyl. Next one, Teflon. Teflon, polytetrafluoroethylene. Polytetrafluoroethylene, PTFE, polytetrafluoroethylene, is prepared by addition polymerization of tetrafluoroethylene, TFE, tetrafluoroethylene, under high pressure and benzyl peroxide as a catalyst to form Teflon, polytetrafluoroethylene. This polytetrafluoroethylene formula CF2 double bond CF2, tetrafluoroethylene, CF2 double bond CF2. Under high pressure in presence of benzyl peroxide to form CF2 single bond CF2 taken N is called Teflon polytetrafluoroethylene, PTFE. That is preparation of Teflon. Teflon is the trade name for polytetrafluoroethylene, PTFE. It is very slippery, so it is used to make non-stick coatings for pan. It is also used for clothing to make it difficult for the dirt to stick. Teflon, preparation of Teflon. Tetrafluoroethylene CF2 double bond CF2. Tetrafluoroethylene. This tetrafluoroethylene under high pressure benzyl peroxide as a catalyst to form CF2 single bond CF2 taken N. Polytetrafluoroethylene. Polytetrafluoroethylene. See here CF2 single bond CF2 CF2 single bond CF2 single bond CF2 single bond CF2. These number of monomeric units N means number of monomeric units undergoing addition polymerization to form a chain growth polymerization of thermoplastic are made by tetrafluoroethylene. These tetrafluoroethylene undergoing addition polymerization in presence of high pressure and catalyst as a benzyl peroxide to form CF2 single bond CF2 taken N is called Teflon. See here in this chain, these green bubbles act as fluorine. This black bubbles act as carbons bonding between like a showed here CF2 single bond CF2 single bond CF2 single bond CF2. Teflon. Uses of Teflon. It is used for making non-stick surface coating utensils. Coated utensils. It is used for making non-stick surface coated utensils. It is making gaskets, chemical carrying pipes and tank lining. Gaskets, chemical carrying pipes, tank lining. For coating glass fibers, asbestos fibers and cloths, making oil seals and gaskets, making bearings and bearings. These are uses of Teflon. See here, it is used for making non-stick surface coated utensils. It is used for making gaskets. Gaskets means gas supplying pipes, chemical carrying pipes and tank linings. It is used for making glass fibers, asbestos fibers and cloths. It is used for making oil seals, making burets, making bearings, etc. These all are prepared from Teflon. It is easy to recycle since no chemical reaction is necessary. No chemical reaction is necessary. It is easy to recycle since no chemical reaction is necessary. Only the exhausted from recycled. It is used of recycled polytetrafluoroethylene and restricted. It is a typical group ground up into fine powder and used as a additives in such products as ink, paints and cosmetics. Polytetrafluoroethylene properties: high degree of short and long chain branching, intermolecular force is less through but high flexible and ductile, chemically inert. Uses of polytetrafluoroethylene, insulation of electrical carrying wires, and manufacturing of squeeze bottles, toys, and flexible pipes. It is used for making non-stick surface coated utensils. Non-stick surface coated utensils. It is used for making gaskets, chemical carrying pipes, and tank linings. It is used for coated glass fibers, making oil seals, making burettes, making bearings, etc. Installation of electricity carrying wires and manufacturing of bottles, ties, flexible pipes. Polystyrene. This polystyrene is actually an aromatic polymer that is made from the monomer of styrene. It is a long hydrocarbon chain that has a phenyl group attached to every carbon atom. Styrene is an aromatic molecule commercially manufactured from petroleum. Polystyrene is a vinyl polymer manufactured from the styrene monomer by free radical vinyl polymerization. This styrene prepared from vinyl benzene. This formula CH2 double bond CHPH, that is means C6H5. This polystyrene prepared by the addition polymerization of styrene in presence of benzyl peroxide as a catalyst. Then CH2 double bond CH C6H5 is called styrene. Undergoing addition polymerization in presence of benzyl peroxide to form CH2 single bond CH C6H5 taken N is called polystyrene. Polystyrene. Properties of polystyrene. Polystyrene is generally flexible and can come in the form of moldable solid and viscous liquid. The force of attraction of polystyrene is mainly due to short range and van der Waals attraction between chains. These are properties of polystyrene. Uses of polystyrene. These polystyrene used in making articles such as combs, buttons, toys, buckets, high frequency electric insulator, radio and television pots. Polystyrene used in making articles such as combs, buttons, toys, buckets, high frequently electrical insulator, radio and television pots. It is used in food container, food packing and umbrella handles, making of CD and DVDs, ashtrays, etc. Polyvinyl chloride PVC also uses by preparation of electrical cable, insulators, pipes, sheets, motor parts, safety elements, toys, tool handles, bags, jackets, etc. Uses of Teflon. This Teflon used for making non-stick surface coated utensils. It is making gaskets, chemical carrying pipes, tank lining, for coating glass fibers, asbestos, making seals, making burettes, making bearings. It is used in insulating motor transformers. It is used for making wires, non-stick coated surface on utensils. It is also used for making gaskets, tank lining, pipes and tubes, are for chemical industries, used for making non-lubricants, bearings. These all are uses for Teflon. bakelite. It is bakelite. It is used from, it is prepared by condensation polymerization process, condensation polymerization process of phenol and formaldehyde. Phenol and formaldehyde polymer are the oldest synthetic process of condensation polymerization. These are obtained by the condensation reaction of phenol with formaldehyde in the presence of either acid or base act as a catalyst. The reaction starts with the initial formation of ortho or para hydroxymethylol phenol. These ortho or para hydroxymethylol phenol which further react with phenol to form compounds having rings joined to each other through CH2 group. This product is called novolac. After novolac formation, heating of novolac with hexaamine gives bakelite. That is preparation of bakelite from phenol and formaldehyde. Phenol and formaldehyde. It is prepared by phenol and formaldehyde. These phenol resins, it has rigid, hard, resistance, water resistance, insoluble solid which are resist to non-oxidizing acid, salt and many organic solvent, but are attacked by alkalis because of the presence of free hydroxyl group in their structure. These process excellent electrical insulator characters. So these bakelite prepared by phenol formaldehyde resin. This phenol and formaldehyde it initially react together to form ortho or para hydroxyl methylol phenol. Phenol and formaldehyde react with each other in presence of acid or base to give ortho or para hydroxyl methylol phenol. These methylol phenol react with each other to form intermediate compound is called novolac. Heating of novolac with hexaamine gives bakelite. That is preparation of bakelite. Nylon, it is also prepared by condensation polymerization of nylon. Also prepared by condensation polymerization of condensation polymerization process. This nylon prepared by, it is produced by the self condensation of caprolactam. This nylon 6,6 prepared by nylon 6,6 prepared from adipic acid and hexamethyl diamine. Adipic acid, hexamethyl diamine. COOH, CH2 taken 4, COOH, NH2, CH2 taken 6, NH2 to form nylon 6,6. Adipic acid and hexamethyl diamine react to form nylon 6,6 to form as a condensation bond between CONH bond in nylon 6,6. Urea formaldehyde resin. Urea and formaldehyde react together to form urea formaldehyde resin as a condensation bond between urea and formaldehyde. NH2CO NH2 urea formaldehyde HCHO to form urea formaldehyde resin. Urea formaldehyde resin. It is a very high tensile strength urea formaldehyde resin as the properties of flexible molded. It has the properties of heat, distillation, temperature, as the capacity of low water absorption. It is mold shrinkage, the properties of high surface hardness. High surface hardness. This urea formaldehyde resin has a urea formaldehyde resin. Urea formaldehyde resin. Amino resin NH2CO NH2 urea formaldehyde HCHO or amine formaldehyde resin. They have good binding properties, good adherence, high carrying rate, and low cost. Brittleness, urea and formaldehyde usually in different mole ratio. So, in this urea formaldehyde resin formed by NH2CO NH2 HCOOH NH2CO NH2 in presence of 50 degrees centigrade hexaamine act as a catalyst undergoing condensation polymerization to form NHCO NH CH2 NH C double bond O NH with loss of water molecule to form urea formaldehyde resin. It is used for making decorative articles, glasses, dishes. It is used for making plywoods and furnitures. It is used for production of light colored absorbed. It is used for cosmetics, containers, and stove hardware. These are uses of urea formaldehyde resins. See here urea formaldehyde resin preparation NH2 C double bond O NH2 H C double bond OH NH2 C double bond O NH2 in presence of 50 degrees centigrade hexaamine as a catalyst undergoing condensation polymerization to form NH double bond O NH CH2 NH C double bond O NH taken N is called urea formaldehyde resin. Urea formaldehyde resin. Uses of urea formaldehyde resin. It is used for making decorative articles, glasses, dishes. It is used for making plywood and furniture. It is used for light colored objects. It is used for making cosmetics, containers, stove hardware. Urea formaldehyde used for making glazes, plywood, cellulose and farm products. It is used in making paints, surface containing adhesive, plugs, switches, buttons, etc. These all are prepared from urea formaldehyde resin. Urea formaldehyde resin. These are preparation and uses of some important plastics. One is polythene, PVC, Teflon, bakelite, styrene, urea formaldehyde resin. These all are preparation and uses of plastics. Polythene, it is simplest monomer of ethylene undergoing addition polymerization under high pressure, high temperature in presence of oxygen to form polythene. CH2 double bond CH2 and the presence of 1500 atmosphere pressure 180 to 250 degrees centigrade in presence of oxygen to form CH2 single bond CH2 taken N. Preparation of polythene. This polythene also used for production of packing appliances, production of films, buckets, dustbins, etc. The production of wire and cable installations, the production of bottles, pipes, and water supply pipes, industrial containers, etc. It is used for preparation of toys, pipes, bottles, and bottle caps, etc. These all are prepared from polythene. Second, plastics, PVC, polyvinyl chloride. This PVC prepared by the addition polymerization of vinyl chloride in presence of hydrogen peroxide act as a catalyst at 60 degrees centigrade temperature. This vinyl chloride CH2 double bond CHCl at 60 degrees centigrade H2O2 as a catalyst to form CH2 single bond CHCl taken N is called PVC, polyvinyl chloride. It is also used as a electrical cable insulators, the production of pipes, sheets and molded parts, tank lining, motor parts and safety helmets, production of toys, tool handles, making coats, jackets, bags, etc. Then after Teflon, polytetrafluoroethylene. Teflon name means polytetrafluoroethylene. This polytetrafluoroethylene prepared from tetrafluoroethylene. This tetrafluoroethylene undergoing addition polymerization in presence of benzyl peroxide as a catalyst to form Teflon. This Teflon used for making non-stick surface coated utensils. It is used for making gaskets, chemical carrying pipes, tank linings, for glass fibers, asbestos fibers, and cloths. This Teflon used in making oil seals and gaskets, for making bearings, for making bearings, etc. Polystyrene. This polystyrene prepared from styrene monomer, vinyl benzene, undergoing addition polymerization to form polystyrene CH2 double bond CHPH in presence of benzyl peroxide to form CH2 single bond CHPH taken N. It is used for making articles such as combs, buttons, toys, buckets, high frequency electrical insulator, radio and television pots. It is used in making food containers, food packing appliances, umbrella handles, making compact discs, DVDs, ashtrays, etc. Urea formaldehyde resin prepared by the condensation polymerization of urea and formaldehyde at 650 degrees centigrade in presence of hexaamine. NH2 C double bond O NH2 H C double bond O H plus NH2 C double bond O NH2. Urea, formaldehyde, urea. Undergoing condensation polymerization to form NH C double bond O NH CH2 NH C double bond O NH taken N. Urea formaldehyde resin. Uses of urea formaldehyde resin. It is used for making decorative articles, glasses, dishes, etc. It is used for making plywood, furnitures. It is used for light colored objectives. It is used for cosmetics, containers, and stove hardware. These are uses of urea formaldehyde resin. It is used for making plywoods, decorative articles, glasses, dishes, light colored objectives, cosmetics, etc. On the completion of this period, you will be able to know about preparation and uses of plastics, like some of the plastics: polythene, PVC, Teflon, polystyrene, bakelite, nylon, urea formaldehyde resin. Thank you once again.